And I haven't planned anything. I'm just waiting for the first meeting to happen. I don't have an agenda. I do have my personal plan, but I need to discuss this because this is a very serious matter. It's like a big, though it is 506 people. For me, it's a very big family, and I need to keep everyone together. I will try to do that. As a woman, I feel we are multitaskers, and to do this, I think it's not going to be that difficult. I hope, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed that I should be able to do something really good, and looking forward but it's going to be a baby step. Please don't expect miracles, but we will be doing something for a change. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much.